Today's video, guys. I first and foremost want to give a prayers up and a salute and give their roses while they're still here alive, because we as men have a hard time as far as expressing how we feel when it comes to other people and what they do and value they add while they're here on this earth. So I want to give a shout out and a speedy recovery to my guy, MTR, Mediocre Tutorials and Reviews. Huge fan of your station, bro. I hope you're able to overcome your cancer and you beat it with chemo.
Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top on the baseline. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish.
What is up, Innovation family? How's everybody doing today? It's me, your host, your friend, your neighbor, Brandon from Innovation Property Atlanta, back with another video. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys had a great weekend. And as always, guys, before we jump to the video, remember to like the video, support your boys, show me some love, hit that notification button, and also subscribe to my channel or pass it on to a family friend or somebody who might be interested in my content doing Turo. Before we jump into today's video, guys, I first and foremost want to give prayers up and a salute and give their roses while they're still here alive, because we as men have a hard time as far as expressing how we feel when it comes to other people and what they do and value they add while they're here on this earth. So I want to give a shout out and a speedy recovery to my guy, MTR, Mediocre Tutorials and Reviews. Huge fan of your station, bro. I hope you're able to overcome your cancer and you beat it with chemo. You're able to keep creating dope content and able to keep sharing your story and motivating other people. You are a great YouTube creator, and you've done a lot for the community. Can't thank you enough. And again, speedy recovery. So again, best of luck, prayers up. But today's video, guys, is going to be on a recap on my trip to Miami over the weekend. So it was me and my wife's anniversary over the weekend. So I went ahead and took her down to Miami to celebrate, guys. So if you guys have been to Miami, I suggest you go. It may or may not be your type of city, depending on what you like to do, like to get into. It is rather pricey when it comes to entertainment, eating out, going out, that type of thing. But as far as the weather, the beaches, the food, the scenery, all that is an amazing town, guys. So I suggest you guys go to Miami. So you guys are wondering, how does this tie into cars and investment properties and all that stuff that I cover or I have an interest in? A lot. What I want to do in the future, and it's probably been done by a lot of people already, is buy an investment property down in Miami. So this trip, I didn't have time to go look at investment properties, but I have an idea of what area I want to look into as far as possibly a rental home, like a single family, or also like a high-rise condo. So when I was down in Miami, I didn't see too many exotic cars. We didn't stay out too late. So I seen a couple of C8 Corvettes. I seen a couple of Lamborghini Urus trucks. I seen a couple of McLarens. I seen a couple of Lambos here and there, but it wasn't like anything crazy. I think they're still being hit with the pandemic and everything's going on in the world in Miami also too. But I wanted to just hop on, you guys a recap on Miami, what's going on down there. I think the Turo market, I did a previous video, I think the Turo market is also being overly saturated in Miami too. So the prices are a little bit cheaper than they are here in Atlanta, because there's a lot more Turo hosts that are doing Turo in Miami. So hopefully for all my MIA Turo hosts, you guys pick back up and you can, recoup your money that you may have lost the last couple of months with the slower season. So that includes the holidays or whatnot. But overall, it was a great trip. I'm going to be probably doing more trips to Miami here in the future once I start looking seriously at an investment property. But overall, it was an amazing trip. Had a good time. So, I'm going to keep my eye on the prices in Miami and compare it against Atlanta and see how they're doing. Because the reason I like Miami a lot is because we're very similar as far as proximity. Only about an hour and a half, 2-hour flight to Miami from Atlanta. So we're kind of partners or cousins, so to speak, when it comes to the Turo gang, because we have similar weather, even though it's warmer year round in Miami. But we have similar weather and similar crowds as far as people to come in to town for tourists and entertainment type of events. So Miami's one I keep my eye on. Houston, Dallas, and also too Orlando is another market I keep my eye on as far as the rates to make sure I'm priced correctly. So always be competitive with your prices and do your market research when it comes to Turo in your cars, so that you make sure you still get top dollar even in the off season when you're not getting the summertime prices. So that's today's video. You guys have a good day. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. And again, my guy MTR, salute to you, King. Hoping for a speedy recovery.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low.